Hi, guys, this is Mariana, your favorite realtor. I know you're excited. I'm excited too. The market is fabulous. We're in a full seller's market. If you want to sell your house in the next 5 years, now is the time. Give me a call, text me. Let's chat about this. Let me tell you how you can do this in the most exciting way.